Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video is going to be on this unit that I'm rocking right now. This is like a short curly kind of bob with a bang. Not something that I would pick for myself, but I kind of like it in a way, just a little bit. So like always, before we get started, I'm going to have the install portion so you can see all the little details on it. So if you want to know all the details on this baddie that I'm wearing right now, keep watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the install portion. Now it's time for me to get to the list, prices, and everything about this unit. So this unit is from, so I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name of the company right, but I'm pretty sure it's called Narado. Amazon based company. They reached out to me, wanted me to do a wig review. This is a short wave bob wig with bang. It is a 10-inch 1B and it's natural looking. Okay, it is on Amazon for $16.99. They also do have a 5% coupon that you can clip, so make sure you clip that coupon when you click that link, period. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you get it in 2 days, of course. If you're not an Amazon Prime member, if you're not an Amazon Prime member, I don't know when you're gonna get it, so make sure you become an Amazon Prime member. So yeah, let's get into the details. It says that the wig cap is a 22 or 22.5 medium cap size. There really isn't tangling at all. As I run my hands through it, I do get a little bit of snags of hair, but that is expected from a wig. This is a really easy go-to, like, throw on your head, no maintenance type of wig. I was gonna cut the bangs just a little bit, but like just like the I was gonna point cut it a little bit, but I decided not to. It's okay. And plus I can't find my shears because like some of my stuff is packed up because your girl is moving. She signs her lease today. Yeah, it's like 2 in the morning, but I signed my lease today, so I'm gonna be moving, so a lot of my stuff is just like not accessible right now. So yeah, it's really lightweight, and I'll get up close so you guys can really see the texture as far as the wave pattern. So this is the curl pattern that it has. It's a real loose wave, not too curly, not too straight. It's just perfect. I think that this is really cute. I have not went on and tried to add heat to it. I'm not sure if you can. But for $16.99, I wouldn't even, oh wait, heat temperature resistant. I wouldn't really try. If you do try to add heat, I would say attempt to add heat in the back of it, because you know you don't want to do this part and then it melts off and you have this little part sticking out. You know, you don't want to do nothing like that. I will turn to the back so you guys can see how the back of this unit looks. This is the back of the hair. That's the back of the unit. It's not too fancy, not too much. It's just the back of the hair. There's pretty much not a lot that I have to say about this. I haven't experienced any tangling, and like I said, I always carry my wig brush and I just brush through it. It brushes through really nicely, super nicely. I did adjust the straps just to make it a little bit more snug, because I personally love security when it comes to my wigs, because I went through a time in my life where my wigs were not secure, and yeah, it was a bad point in my life. But we're not here to talk about that. We are here to talk about this unit that I have. No, I'm just kidding, you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this wig review. There was not like a lot to say about this wig. It's cute, short to the point. Now when I saw the pictures of what they were sending me, I was just like, this looks like one of the wigs that be on Dress Lily that is like a hit or miss, but it's a hit. It's a hit. I really like it. Would I wear it without makeup? Probably not, because I'd probably look like Wanda's little sister from Holiday Heart. So we're not going to do that. But other than that, I really like this unit. It is really, really cute. Really lightweight. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video 2 thumbs up. Comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.